Unlocking opportunities, understanding scholarship databases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English simple and fun. Today, we're diving into a topic that could open doors to numerous educational opportunities for you: scholarship databases. Whether you're planning to study abroad or looking for financial aid options, understanding this term is your first step towards achieving your dreams. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of scholarship databases together. Before we dive into scholarship databases, let's understand what a scholarship really means. A scholarship is a form of financial aid awarded to students to help pay for their education. Unlike loans, scholarships do not need to be repaid. They can be awarded based on various criteria, including academic achievement, athletic skills, special talents, or even financial need. Scholarships are crucial for many students, as they can significantly reduce the financial burden of pursuing higher education. Now, let's talk about databases. In simple terms, a database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Databases can store a wide range of information types and are used in various aspects of daily life and different industries, including education. Combining the two, a scholarship database is a specialized database designed to help students find scholarships that they are eligible for. These databases are powerful tools that contain detailed information about thousands of scholarships, including eligibility criteria, application deadlines, award amounts, and how to apply. By using a scholarship database, students can save time and effort in their search for financial aid, ensuring they don't miss out on valuable opportunities. To make the most out of a scholarship database, follow these steps. 1. Create a profile. Many databases allow you to create a personal profile where you can input your academic interests, achievements, and financial needs. 2. Use filters. Apply filters based on your profile to narrow down the list of scholarships that match your qualifications and needs. 3. Read carefully. Go through the eligibility criteria and application requirements for each scholarship carefully. 4. Organize your applications. Keep track of deadlines and required documents for each scholarship you plan to apply for. 5. Apply early. Give yourself plenty of time to gather all necessary documents and write any essays that may be required. We hope this video has shed some light on what scholarship databases are and how you can use them to your advantage. Remember, scholarships can significantly ease the financial strain of higher education, and these databases are here to help you find them. So, start exploring today and take a step closer to achieving your academic goals. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your scholarship search and your learning journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.